Hi guys. Today we're gonna change this engine mount. As you see, all the broken. As you see, like sorry, like right there. Do you see, guys? Right there. See, it's there was a noise, kind of this kind of noise. So I saw that this is, as you see right there, it's broken. So I got the new one right here. Right here, this is the new. As you see, it's fantastic inside. So I'm gonna change it now. Uh, let's go and start it. We're gonna use it. Use it 14 millimeter socket. Right there. This is the one. 14 millimeter. Let's go and start it. Okay. So it's not hard, but yeah, it's gonna take time, of course. Oh, oh my God! Look at this. Let me do this part. Oh, now let's see. I think. Wow, that's so. I think I have to use the W40. Hold on a minute. Okay, okay. So here's the W40. Here's the W40, and I'm gonna just spray here. Okay, and also spray here. Okay. This time I'm gonna use the longer handle. I'll take it this 14 millimeters socket to use this guy. Maybe I'm saying that I am gonna have more power to open it. I hope so. Let's see. Okay, ready. Let me put the. Okay, let me a little higher. Now, right there. Okay, pressure. Okay, see, this helps. This is longer, and W40, it helps. Come on, come on. Okay, okay, I can change the socket now. Using, this is the one. Let's start. Okay, this is the way. Okay. Right. Slowly and surely. Right there. Okay. Put it somewhere. And then, oh, okay. Look at this. It's playing. Okay. Let's take it out the other one too. Okay, almost. Right here. Okay. I think it's longer is better. You're just getting more power. See? This is the longer, maybe 1.5 feet longer. When you lose it, the screw, then you go ahead and use this. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Alright. Now let's go ahead and use it. Check it out. This guy. Take it out. Screw. Wow. That's the screw. And pull it. As you see, look at this. Wow. Look at this. Almost done. Alright. This is the one. That's gone. So let's put the new one. Oh, that's clean here. There is a lot of dirt. Okay, right there. Alright. Then let's go ahead and get this new one. What are you gonna do? Just same as before. Okay. Got that. Okay. Alright. Let's get this screw. Okay. Let's get to this screw and put it back. Now by hand, just turn it. The other one also by hand. Let me get the other one. Okay. Get the other one. Just right there. Okay. Just go ahead and tight it. As you see, by hand you do, then after that get the smaller one, so get the smaller one and start to tight. Little here, not too tight, and little here, not too tight, little by here, little there, and just tight. Okay, little here, little there. Okay, here too. Okay, here too. Okay, here. All right, this is the one we're done. Now longer one, I am gonna use it. Longer one, that tight a little bit more. With this one, oh shit. Okay, deal with this one then. Okay, we are trying. Oh, look. Okay, it's not reaching, but eventually. Okay, hit. Okay. All right, that's good. This is the way it is. So now this is the new, and it's not gonna make any noise anymore. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.